Hello my dear students, in this lecture we will see one simple numerical on Saint Venant's theory. Here the numerical is written on the screen. The question is, the state of stress at a point is given as, the state of stress is given here, right? Find factor of safety. F is for factor of safety. Find factor of safety with the help of Saint Venant's theory. If Poisson's ratio is 0.3, Young's modulus is 2 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per mm square, and SYT is 250 MPa. My dear students, they are asking you to use Saint Venant's theory, and in the loading, what is given? Sigma x is given plus 30 MPa. Sigma y is nothing but compression. Here sigma y is given compressive, which is nothing but minus 20 MPa, right? And tau xy, they have provided 10 MPa, 10 MPa, right? Now again in the given data, they have given Poisson ratio, which is nothing but 0.3, Young's modulus, which is nothing but 2 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per mm square, and SYT they have provided 250 MPa, 250 MPa. For this given data, they are asking you to use Saint Venant's theory. Saint Venant's theory. Saint Venant's theory is nothing but maximum principal strain theory, that is Emax theory. Means our target is to find Emax here, right? Therefore, first of all, find principal stresses. Find principal stresses, right? As per Saint Venant's theory, what is this theory? As per Saint Venant's theory, this sigma 1 minus mu sigma 2 is equal to SYT. Do you have a factor of safety? Therefore, here our target is to find sigma 1 and sigma 2. Therefore, use formula sigma 1 comma 2 is equal to sigma x plus sigma y by 2 plus or minus under root of sigma x minus sigma y by 2 whole square plus tau xy square. This is the formula to find principal stresses. Therefore, put the values. Sigma 1 comma 2 is equal to sigma x is 30, sigma y is minus 20 divided by 2 plus or minus under root of sigma x is plus 30, sigma y is minus 20, minus minus will become plus 20 divided by 2 whole square plus tau xy is 10 square. Therefore, we will get sigma 1 comma 2 is equal to, this will be 5 plus or minus under root of, this will be 25 square plus 10 square. Now, if you find here sigma 1 and sigma 2, you will get values sigma 1 comma 2 is equal to 5 plus or minus, this term will become 26.92. Therefore, while finding sigma 1, we have to put plus sign. Sigma 1 is equal to 5 plus 26.92, right? Therefore, what will be the answer? What will be the answer if you add 5 in this? If you add 5, the sigma 1 will become 31.92 MPa, and sigma 2 will become 5 minus 26.92. Now here, if you do 5 minus 26.92, what will be the answer? The answer for sigma 2 will be minus 21.92 MPa. This will be the answer for sigma 2. Now, with considering sigma 1 and sigma 2 values, we have to use Saint Venant's theory, that is maximum principal strain theory. We have to use maximum principal strain theory for the design. Now, what is maximum principal strain theory? As per maximum principal strain theory, as per Saint Venant's theory, or as per Emax theory, the equation, the formula, the final result is sigma 1 minus mu sigma 2 is equal to SYT divided by factor of safety, and our target is to find factor of safety. Therefore, sigma 1 is calculated as 31.92 minus sigma mu is given 0.3, sigma 2 is minus 21.92 is equal to SYT is given 250 divided by factor of safety. Right. Now simplify this for factor of safety. You will get answer of factor of safety as near about 6.49, which is nothing but near about 6.5. This will be your answer of factor of safety as per Saint Venant's theory. Thank you, dear students. In next lecture, we will see another theory of failure, that is Haig's theory.